Hello everybody, my name is Aparna Bidi Tiwari. So today I will teach you about has been, have been and had been. So these are the forms of tenses. Has been and had been and have been. Has been and have been are used for present perfect continuous tense. Like has been is used for singular pronoun or singular noun. Have been is used for plural pronoun or plural noun. Now, singular pronoun. She has been. He has been. It has been. And singular noun. Ram has been. Geeta has been. So, whatever action they are doing, like Geeta has been waiting for you for 5 hours. It has been raining since morning. So when we are using singular pronoun or singular noun, we will use has been for present perfect continuous tense. And we will use have been for present perfect continuous tense when we have plural pronoun like they, we, I and you. I is singular, but for I also we use have been. I have been waiting for you since morning. We have been waiting for you since morning. They have been waiting for you since morning. So for plural pronoun, Ram and Sham have been waiting for you since morning. Now these are two nouns, Ram and Sham. So plural nouns. So for plural words we use have been, and for singular pronouns we use has been in present perfect continuous tense. But when it is past perfect continuous tense, we will use had been. I had been waiting for you since morning. She had been waiting. We had been waiting. They had been waiting. So whatever you can say pronoun or noun are used in past tense, we'll use had been waiting, had been reading. I had been reading this book for 5 hours. We had been waiting since morning. We had been waiting for the train for 5 hours. So when we will talk about something in past, we'll use had been, and when we'll talk about something in present, we'll use has been or have been. Has been we'll use for singular pronoun or noun, and have been we'll use for plural pronoun or noun. So this is a difference. Now you need to practice. The more you practice, the more perfection you will get. So I'll give you more explanation and I'll give you practice exercises in the comment box of my video. So keep watching my video and don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Bye-bye. So students, you must practice, and if you change your behavior, you will succeed. Bye-bye and follow me for more updates.